Hi everyone, welcome to a very short and precise session on the exercise on list. So let's start. So the very first task is how do we create an empty list, and followed by I want to create a list that will contain the values like 11, 121, 1331 and following. Now after this we have the task number 1 is I want to assign my list is created. I want to assign the first value to the variable first, and similarly the next task is to assign the last element of the list to a variable name last and print it. So it should be like this. And similarly the task number 3 is assign the second element of the list. Means this is my list, I want to assign this value to a variable through some list command. The task number 4 is where I have a list 11 121. I want to append 1771561, which is the number nothing but 11 to the power of 6 to this existing list, and the output should be this. After this my task number 5 is I have an existing list. Okay, this is my existing list. Okay, I want to append this to my existing list in two ways. One is it will be appended as an the list what I will append here, square, cubes, tetra, penta, hexa. It will be a list inside a list, and other is just concatenate two lists like this. So it's up to you how you can get it done. Now the next task is how do you insert a value. Okay, like between 121 and 1331 I want to insert a value, and followed by how to get the index of the list items. This is my list, I want to get the index of suppose 1331. Ideally it will be 0 1 2. So how do you get the index of 1331? Then we have the task number 8 where how to add different type of element to my existing list using the append method. This is my initial list, this is my input list, and my output should be like this. Okay, after this how to remove the last element. This is my list and existing, I want to remove the last and the output should be till here. Okay, so here the question is how to remove the element of a list removing using the remove method. So I have this input list and I want to remove this 121. So and this will be my output. So how I will achieve this. Now the task number 10 is how to remove the list element using the pop method. Okay, the task number 11 is how to reverse a Python list using a reverse method and also without using reverse method. Then and after that suppose I have a list with few values and it is occurring, so I want to get the occurrence of a particular value, and followed by how to add the sum of all the element of a list. This is my input and the output should be 150. And task number 14 is my input list is this, and I want to find the maximum value. So the maximum value output should give 161051, and similarly I want to find the minimum function, the smallest number in my list. Okay, using the main function. Task number 16 is how to find the or print the alternate element of a list. This is my list, I want to print 11, then 1000, 14641 and 5, and also even we can skip these two values. Okay, then 11 133 5, and followed by how to count the total number of items in my list. Okay, the count of this, how many, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so the output should be 7. Then the next is I have two lists, this I want to concatenate, so how it will be achieved, followed by since lists are mutable, it means it's changeable. So the list I want to change this list, this is list 123 whatever is the name, I want to change the value. Okay, whatever is 1641 I want to replace this by 1000. So how can we can achieve it? So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be related to the solution of this exercise as well as some other stuff also. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.